Hello, my name is Doug McLarty, and today I'm going to discuss the principal residence tax exemption. Principal residence is an issue that we frequently are asked questions about. We're asked about what qualifies and how the exemption works. Generally, any habitation qualifies. It can be a house, a cottage, a mobile home, or even a houseboat. Plus, an acre of land qualifies. In some cases, more land may qualify depending on the circumstances. This is how the exemption works. If you own only one residence and you've ordinarily lived in it at least part of every year since you bought it, a capital gain exemption will be available. Another common situation is when two residences are owned by a couple, say a condominium and a cottage. Say they go and they're planning on selling the cottage. They'll need to have an estimate of the capital gain on the principal residences, that means the condo and the cottage, in order to decide which has the higher appreciation value as their principal residence. If the gain will be higher on the cottage, and it was ordinarily inhabited on a regular basis every year, then they can deem the cottage as their principal residence and be exempt from paying taxes on its capital gain. But if they had previously sold the house and then bought the condo, and they claimed the house as their principal residence, then only the increase in the value of the cottage since the house was sold would be exempt. If a residence was owned prior to 1982, then the situation is more complicated, because before 1982, both spouses could designate a residence as a principal residence. In effect, the couple could have two exemptions. Here are a few more situations where you should obtain some professional advice. If there will be a change in use, such as converting an income-producing property to a principal residence. Another situation where you'd want to obtain professional advice would be if you're separating or divorcing. If you're purchasing a residence such as a vacation home and you have children over the age of 18. I hope you found this discussion about principal residence is useful, and we look forward to talking to you about them. Thank you.